So you see in this image, there is a half-dressed person, but imagine if you see a naked body in the snow. Is it murder or is it rape? We will be wondering what to do. Or is it just the brain's final betrayal in hypothermia? So what exactly it is? It is a case of paradoxical undressing, where in the final moments of hypothermia, the person feels unbearably hot and starts undressing even in the sub-zero condition. So to know what temperature is hypothermia, it is from 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, right? So we will see a simple mechanism what happens in a paradoxical undressing. Okay, so when a person is exposed to extreme cold, he starts shivering to cover his body. So why this cold happens? There is a vasoconstriction, right? But in severe hypothermia, the system falls suddenly, the blood vessel starts to open, causing a vasodilation, and the warm blood flows to the skin. The brain gets confused and feels like the body is too hot even though it's freezing. So the person starts removing the clothes thinking they are overheating. So this is a strange act, right? So this picture shows a person is completely covered, is suffering from hypothermia, and suddenly the brain gets confused and the blood vessel starts vasodilating to keep the person warm, and it goes to extreme heat. So the person starts undressing. So dressing followed by undressing, vasoconstriction followed by vasodilation. It is a very dangerous act. Why does it matter is important in forensic medicine, because we get confused or we get mistaken that there is a foul play. So this undressing is not due to an assault, it is just because of cold induced death. Okay, so there is a high yield MCQ which was asked in NEET 2019 and in INICET. So what was the question is, a body is found undressed in a snowy forest. What is the most likely case? So among the options, the answer is paradoxical undressing, right? It is a very exam favorite. So this is seen in hypothermia, a final confusion before death. This is a classical FMG NEET question, a buzzword. Remember, paradoxical undressing is hypothermia, right? So the summary is, this is seen in hypothermia due to vasodilation. The victim undresses feeling a false heat. It is a very important forensic clue. So follow the channel for more updates. I'll see you all in the next video.